In a bustling urban environment like Washington, D.C., homeowners are always looking for smart ways to improve comfort, reduce utility costs, and increase property value. One of the most impactful home upgrades gaining popularity in the capital city is the installation of energy-efficient windows. Whether you live in a historic row house on Capitol Hill or a modern condo in DuPont Circle, energy-efficient windows offer a range of benefits tailored to the demands of city life and the region's variable climate. Here's why more DC homeowners are making the switch. Lower utility bills in all seasons. Washington, D.C. experiences hot, humid summers and chilly winters, which means your HVAC system works hard year-round. Older windows, especially single-pane units or those with deteriorating seals, allow heat and air to leak out, leading to higher energy bills. Energy-efficient windows feature double or triple pane glass, low emissivity, low E coatings, argon or krypton gas insulation, and weather-tight frames. These features help maintain a stable indoor temperature by reducing heat transfer, so your home stays cooler in summer and warmer in winter, with significantly lower monthly energy costs. Improved comfort and climate control. Drafts in the winter, overheated rooms in the summer, and fluctuating indoor temperatures are all signs that your windows aren't pulling their weight. In DC's humid climate, this can make living spaces uncomfortable. Energy-efficient windows eliminate drafts and regulate heat gain, creating a more comfortable environment. The low E coatings also reduce glare from sunlight while allowing natural light in, so you can enjoy bright, cozy interiors without compromising on temperature or comfort. Urban noise reduction. City life in DC means dealing with traffic, construction, and street noise. Whether you're near a busy avenue, metro line, or commercial area, energy-efficient windows double as noise barriers. Thanks to multi-pane construction and tightly sealed frames, these windows significantly reduce outside noise, making your home a peaceful retreat amid the city's hustle and bustle. Enhanced property value and curb appeal. In Washington's competitive real estate market, every upgrade matters. Energy-efficient windows are not just functional, they also enhance your home's appearance and market value. They come in a variety of styles and finishes to complement DC's mix of historic and contemporary architecture. Whether you're restoring a classic facade or updating a modern townhouse, new windows increase curb appeal, improve resale value, signal a well-maintained, eco-conscious home to potential buyers. Better moisture and mold control. With DC's high humidity and sudden storms, moisture intrusion around windows is a real concern. Condensation buildup and water leaks can lead to wood rot, mold, and structural issues over time. Energy-efficient windows are designed with advanced seals and insulated glass units that block moisture and reduce condensation, protecting your home from long-term damage and promoting healthier indoor air quality. Eco-friendly living in the nation's capital. Washington, D.C. is a leader in green initiatives, and many homeowners are committed to reducing their carbon footprint. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows, you're making an environmentally responsible choice. These windows reduce your energy consumption, lower greenhouse gas emissions, and align with DC's energy efficiency goals, all while giving you the day-to-day benefits of comfort and savings. Final thoughts. A smart investment for DC living in Washington, D.C., where climate, urban noise, and energy costs can take a toll on your comfort and budget. Energy-efficient windows are more than just an upgrade. They're a smart investment. They help you save money, reduce environmental impact, enjoy a quieter home, and boost your property value, all in one move. If you're ready to modernize your home while staying true to your neighborhood's character, reach out to a trusted local window installation expert to explore the best energy-efficient options for your DC home.